Ken from Alliance with a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. You may have heard of our R3 program. It's Retool, Recondition, Reuse. So we're in the market looking for used machines. They can be Alliance machines or they can be Technical Devices company machines. We want to get these machines to repurpose them and bring them back to new and useful lives. It might be a little mini machine. You might have it on your floor somewhere, maybe no longer in use. We're looking for machines like that. Maybe you have a big production belt washer that's no longer in use. Maybe that product line is not something you're cleaning anymore. If that's the case, we're interested. Maybe you have a drum washer that's not in service anymore. It's out in the warehouse. We might be interested. Here's a machine that we have in process. Maybe you have something that looks like this that you're no longer using. We're interested. Maybe you have a machine that's mothballed and put in the backyard. We're interested. Maybe you have a used Technical Devices machine that's no longer in service. We're interested. So our goal with the sweet message is sustainability. So if we can take used machines, old equipment, repurpose them, and bring them back to a new and useful life, it's a great benefit for everybody. So you saw some examples of things that we're looking for. If you have something you want to move, get it out of the warehouse, out of the backyard, give Alliance a call today, and have a sweet day.